Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. Are you looking for an amazing new tote bag? I love this bag. I think my favorite feature about it is how well it's made. It looks cute and it's insanely durable. I have quite a busy life. I'm a mom, I'm a wife, I have pets, and I also work. And so this bag goes through a lot, and I gotta tell you, it keeps up with me and my crazy life just perfectly. Look at how beautiful this strap is. I love the shiny silver design in it. I love that it's so versatile. You can wear it over your shoulder, you can wear it crossbody, which is perfect for traveling, or you can just take the whole strap off and just use it as a beautiful little handbag. And it's perfect, and it's comfortable any of those ways that you wear it. Back to the durability of this bag, I'm very impressed with how well it's made. This zipper is going nowhere. You can tug on it, you can rip on it. The zippers are very easy to open and close, and then once they're closed, it's not going anywhere. There's also a little zipper section on the inside that still has the same durability and strength as the zipper on the outside. It's got lots of little pockets, perfect for your cell phone and your hand sanitizer, sunglasses, all that jazz that you need to carry around with you. I want to show you how much stuff you can fit in this bag. So I, of course, fit my wallet, sunglasses, all of the things that you need, tissues, hand sanitizer, chapstick, even a sweater in case it gets cold, some medication, and my iPad and cell phone, and it's zipped up just fine. So you can fit a lot of stuff in this thing. So I absolutely love this tote bag. It's adorable, it's durable, it puts up with my crazy life, but that's just my point of view.